Yo, 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 yo. Welcome to the club. You want a shot, boy? Check this out. Come over here. A little bit of this. Now you pull it up, pull it up. That's what I call it. A little bit of this little sweet stuff. Gotta get that shit all out. You know, some little juice, you know, get the little tummy going out. Splash. Yeah. Gotta get some ice. Just a little bit though. Put the top on that bitch. You gotta shake that shit like you're jacking off. This how I jack off in the morning. So, not a lot though, don't shake it too much and then you're gonna be in. And you just pop the top off. Check it out, check it out, check it out. I mean, you can drink it like that. If you want to be a little bitch, you can put this back on there.